In this video, we're going to answer the question, what is population aging and why is it happening? I don't know about you, but when I hear the word aging, I think about all of the physical changes that are occurring to my body as I get older. But when we talk about population aging, we're not talking about turning into Mr. Magoo. We're talking about whole populations, changes in whole populations of people, nations, and states, and regions. And to tell that story, we really need to rely on data. Now, the data that I'm going to show you takes a particular form. This is a particular kind of a graph called a population pyramid. And population pyramids are used by demographers and economists to describe the age structure of a population. Now, this is shaped like a pyramid, hence the name population pyramid. On the right side in the pink, we have the number and the percentages of females in the population. On the left side, we have the percentages of males in the population. Each one of these horizontal bars represents the percentage of the population in a 5-year age group. The bottom bar represents kids between 0 and 4. The next bar up represents the percentages of kids between 5 and 9. The next bar up represents the percentages of kids between 10 and 14, and so on up the pyramid. Now, this is a relatively classic population pyramid because you have this huge base of children and adolescents in the population, especially when we compare it to the number and the percentages of people who are in the older age groups. This is what population pyramids have looked like for hundreds, if not thousands of years. Now, just in case you're wondering where this population is from, this is the population pyramid for Bangladesh in the year 2013. Now compare that with the population pyramid from Finland in the same year in 2013. You can see that the population pyramid looks drastically different. It doesn't even look like a pyramid anymore. And you might be asking yourself, why do these two population pyramids look so different from one another? The answer is population aging, which really has two driving factors. The first is that people all over the world are living longer lives than they used to. The second driving factor is, again, all over the world, people are having smaller families on average than they used to. And you can see how having fewer kids really kind of thins out the bottom of the population pyramid here. And having longer lives, people with longer lives, means that people live into these upper age groups. This age group between 45 and 69 years of age is Finland's equivalent of the baby boom generation. And you'll see in the coming decades, countries all over the world are going to experience dramatic shifts in the age structures of their populations too.